Hi guys, welcome back, and in this video we are going to create a cuboid which is going to sweep across a plane. So let's get started. Let's begin by scaling this cuboid. Let's scale this. Let's add a plane, add mesh, then plane. Let's scale the plane, and now I will turn on the snap and then move the cuboid or the plane. Now I am going to move the cuboid to the edge. Now let's add a cube. I will move the cube and then press S and then move the cursor to scale it. It is scaled, and now I will animate this. But first let's add the rigid body properties. Let's go to physics property, rigid body. This is active. Let's add the mass. Then select mesh, increase friction and increase some bounciness, increase the damping and the rotation. The plane will be a passive mesh, increase the friction, and then the cube will be a passive animated mesh. Okay, so let's animate this, and to animate we need a keyframe. Now let's press N, then I, location. This is the first location. Let's go to 119th keyframe. Let's move the cuboid and then press I, then location. And now let's watch this. It is working as expected. So let's add some more cuboids, some more cubes, I should say. So that it looks much better. Now let's watch this again. Okay, now let's watch this. The cubes are bouncing and they are working as expected. Now let's turn on the viewport shading. Now we are going to make the scene look more beautiful. Let's turn the light source into a sun of intensity, say 4 or maybe 6. It would look better. Let's turn on the ambient occlusion. Now the shadows will look better, and now we are going to rotate the sun to make the shadows look very realistic. Now you can see the shadows of the cube as well as the cuboid. Now I will hide the meshes and then I will add the HDRI. This one will work fine, and the world opacity I will increase. And now we have the shadows, the cube, the cuboid, as well as the HDRI. Let's watch this. The only thing that is remaining is that we add some colors. Let's go to the material properties. and add. Then we will choose the diffused surface, and let's say this is of green color. Now I will just select the remaining cubes and I will select the green cube named material. So everything turns to green cube. Now I want to change the color of the cuboid. Let's change it to pink, and then I will add a keyframe and animate the color, and this is yellow. I think it should work, and yes, it is working. Now the cubes will fall down and the color will change. You can see the shadows also, and the color will be changing. So that will be the tutorial in this video, and I will see you in later.